So we are picking up from where we had stopped in our last class. And this is the paper of April 2023, question number 2. That's where we begin. April 2023, question number 2. That's where we begin. And the question says, a survey was recently conducted to determine the preferences of 360 customers with regard to 3 brands of cooking oil, namely sunflower oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. The following results were obtained. So we are told to present the information in a Venn diagram. So let's draw a Venn diagram. Let us draw a Venn diagram. Now, a Venn diagram, we have 3 circles. Where we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So here, N, we are told the customers are 360. And there are 3 brands of cooking oil. So the first one is sunflower. So sunflower here. The second one is coconut. And the third one is olive. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. After we have worked out, the total will take us back to 360. The total will take us back to 360. So from there, we are supposed to do the equations. We are supposed to do the equations. We are supposed to do the equations. And the equations are done like this. We are told 220 customers preferred sunflower. So you say 220 is equal to everyone who is inside the sunflower. That is A, B, C, D. So it will be A plus B plus C plus D. A plus B plus C plus D. That is sunflower. 160, they preferred coconut. So 160 is everyone who is inside coconut. That is B, C, F, G. So B plus C plus F plus G. B, C, F, G. Alright. 180, they preferred olive. 180, they preferred olive. So everyone who is inside olive, everyone who is inside olive, that is C, D, E, F. So you say C plus D plus E plus F. C, D, E, F. Then 80 preferred both sunflower and coconut. So 80, they preferred both sunflower and coconut. So where the two meet, sunflower and coconut, that is B and C. So you say B plus C, where they meet. And then 110 preferred both sunflower and olive. 110, they preferred sunflower and olive. So where sunflower meets olive, that is DC, that is C plus D. C plus D. And then 100 preferred coconut and olive. 100 preferred coconut and olive. So coconut and olive, that is C and F. So C plus F. C plus F. 50 preferred none. So 50, they preferred none. So those who preferred none, it is H. They are outside. So once you have fed the information, to the equations, then you also require to have the whole equation, which you're going to say 360 is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H. 360 is equal to that. So from there now you start the workings. You start the workings. You start the workings. So Okay, so we continue. So H is already known. So this one you come and put it here. That one is already known. You put it there. And then you check where H can help you. H is here. It's in this equation here. And this equation is known A, B, C, D that way. Together with E, F, G. So using this one, using this which are here, and C, D which is known, we can say that we know EF. So the only one that remains unknown is G. So we are going to say that G is 360 minus this block of ABCD, which is 220, minus EF. EF itapatikana hapa kwa 180, minus this CD. CD ya 110. That is who? That is EF. Then you minus H, which is 50. So work that out and tell me the answer. Tell me the answer to that. Okay, so I can see you have given me 20. If you tell kuendelea with the others, nione whether you can agree. Look for the others, just a minute. Okay, I hope you have finished. Have you finished? Margaret, have you finished?
Yes, I've finished.
I have read for me the figure for A.
Myself, sorry. A is 70.
Good. B.
B is 40.
C.
C is 40.
D.
D is 70.
E.
E is 10.
10. F.
F is 60.
60. G
Yes.
and H we have gotten. Let me hear. Beatrice, do you agree with those figures?
Yes, sir.
Good. Hilary? Hilary, I can see you already have sent the figures. So that is good. So that question is completed to that extent. Let us now provide the answer that the examiner had required. So part one, he had required the Venn diagram. This is the one we have answered. Roman 2, he's asking the probability that a customer picked at random prefers all the three. So probability that someone prefers all the three, it is here. C, you divide by N. So C is 40, you divide by 360. You can either leave it that way or you can simplify any further. Then number 3, determine the probability that a customer picked at random prefers at least two brands. Prefers at least two brands. So if they prefer at least two, we have B, C, D, F. So B plus C plus D plus F. You divide by N. So sasa hawa watasema ni 40 plus 40 plus 70 plus 60. All these you divide by 360. Divide by 360. So we are through with that question. Let us go to the next one. Let us look at the next one. So, part B, that question I think we solved in class. Is that so? Margaret, is that question solved in class, part B?
We did not solve, but you gave us it as an assignment.
So you can solve.
Yes.
Okay. So we just draw the table. We have the time. Zero, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, and above 60. Five, 10, 15, 20. Then we have the workers. The workers are 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 18, X, 100, Y, 15. We are told that, so we have the total here. So we are told that the mean is, or the median. Median, we are told is 40.5. And the mode is 41.5. So we look for those values. Okay. So now, what you are supposed to do is to create the cumulative frequency here. Cumulative frequency. So the cumulative frequency will be created like this. The same as this is 2, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 3, 7, plus 5, 12, plus 5, 17, plus 18, 35, plus X, that will be 35, plus X, 100, that will be 135, plus X, 135, plus X, plus Y, then 150 plus X plus Y. And we know that the total should be how many? Tell me the total. I don't have the question here with me. How many workers are there?
250.
250. So this one is 250. So with that, I don't think I'll need another column. So when it comes to the median, the formula for the median, MD, is given as L plus N out of 2 minus CF. You divide by F, you multiply by W. You multiply by W. Multiply by W. So what you do now is to know the median class. The median class, or before we get the median class, we need to get the N out of 2, the item. The N out of 2 item. So this will be 250, you divide by 2, which is 125. So that is where, when you divide, you should get the values. So sasa ukishasema hivyo, you come and find that 125 will be found here. Will be found here because 125 is here. So the median class is the class of 40 to 50. The class of 40 to 50. Sasa, L will be 40, that is the lower limit. CF, the cumulative frequency above that. The cumulative frequency above is this one, 35 plus X. 35 plus X. Then F, the frequency of that class is 100. And then width will be 50 minus 40, which is 10. 50 minus 40, which is 10. So we already know that the median, so hence, if we take this lower limit 40 plus N out of 2, this will be 125, minus CF, the cumulative frequency above, it is 35 plus X that way. Now this one, you divide by F, which is 100. Then you multiply by W, which is 10. And when you multiply by 10, the answer should be 40.5. Should be 40.5. That becomes even very easy to solve because we just have one unknown. We just have one unknown. So here, to kifungua brackets, tabaki na 40 plus 125 minus 35 minus X. all this you divide by 100, then you multiply by 10, you get 40.5. Get 40.5. So sasa kiendelea na hiyo hesabu utapata, if you open here, just want to go very slowly. 40 plus this one times 10, or I cancel this one here. This one to cancel here is also a way of doing it. Ndio nibakishe 125 minus 35 minus x, you divide by 10 is equal to 40.5. So this one, if I choose to divide, it will be 40 plus this one 12.5 minus 3.5 minus 0.1x is equal to 40.5. So tutetee hapo and tell me the value of x. In other words, you say 40 plus 12.5 minus 3.5 minus 40.5 equal to 0.1x. So tell me the value of x. Tell me the value of x. Tell me the value of x before we get logged out. 85. So x is 85. So if x is 85,